In this clip, let me show you the plan with the content control. The idea is to show different detail views in the main window. Right now, the main window of our application contains the Customers View user control, which is hard-coded in the main window SAML file. The data context property of the Customers View is set in the code behind file of the Customers View to the Customers View model. Now, to be able to switch between the Customers View and another view in the main window, you need also to be able to switch between different detail view models. To be able to switch between different view models, you will introduce in this module a new main view model class. This main view model will be the view model for the main window. This means that you will assign an instance of this main view model to the data context property of the main window. On the main view model, you will create a selected view model property of type viewModelBase that will contain an instance of the Customers View model. Then, the data context property of the Customers View can be bound to that selected view model property. Now, with this client architecture, you can replace the hard-coded Customers View in the main window with a content control. Then you can bind the content property of that content control to the selected view model property of the main view model. This means now that the content property contains the Customers View model. As the Customers View model is not a UI element, the result of its toString method is rendered in the content control. You will learn how to use the content template property to define a data template that will display the Customers View for the Customers View model. Instead of explicitly setting the content template property, you will also learn how to show the Customers View with a so-called implicit data template. And when you have done that, the application is ready to show another detail view in the main window. Beside the Customers View model, you will create the Products View model. One of these two detail view models gets assigned to the selected view model property of the main view model. In the user interface, the content property of the content control gets the detail view model via data binding. With the help of implicit data templates, the content control will show either the Customers View or the Products View. So, this is the client architecture that will allow a user to switch between customers and products in our application. You will learn and implement everything that is needed for this functionality in this module. In the next clip, let's start and let's implement the main view model.